Today, I'm going to show you how to monetize an incredible tool, Rask AI, by offering translation services on Fiverr. Let's dive in. First step, sign up on Fiverr and set up your gig. Describe how Rask AI's advanced technology enables accurate translations across 135 languages, ensuring your clients can globalize their content effortlessly. Highlight the unique selling point of voice cloning technology. Emphasize that, unlike standard
Hey
translation,
there, here is a quick demo of Rask AI tool for video localization.
Aquí hay una demostración rápida de la herramienta Rask AI para la localización de videos.
Hier ist eine kurze Demo des Rask AI Tools für die Videolokalisierung.
فيما يلي عرض توضيحي سريع لأداة راسك AI لترجمة
services. Rask AI maintains the speaker's original voice in the new language, providing a seamless audio experience. Set competitive prices, but don't undervalue your service. Remember, you're offering a cutting-edge solution that breaks language barriers like never before. Showcase examples. Before and after clips can demonstrate Rask AI's prowess, convincing potential clients of the high-quality service you're offering. Finally, share tips on how to effectively use translated content to reach a wider audience, whether it's for YouTube videos, podcasts, or online courses. Your expertise can guide clients to utilize their new, globally accessible content to its full potential. And there you have it. By leveraging Rask AI's translation capabilities, you're not just offering a service, you're providing a gateway to the world. Start today and watch your Fiverr success soar. Good luck.